Boy, that thing trying to get loose, y'all. That thing is trying to get loose. But anyway, all my people, this is at Yello Belly. We in Dallas, Texas. My YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. It goes down every Thursday and Sunday. Y'all gonna check me out one time for the one time. Look out. We got Stone Vet in the building, y'all. He's Stone, and he used to drive a vet. Yeah. Look out.
Let them do
YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. It's about to be more live. Oh, excuse me. Got a turbocharged BMW. Oh, this is an M5, y'all. Fast cars and freedom. I'm thinking about it. I don't know really. I'm 30% chance. 30% chance. That's 30% chance that I might go to Ennis this weekend. We got 156 people watching on YouTube, 47 likes. Can we get them likes up, please?
That's at 147?
147.
I
got 519 people watching on TikTok.
Weak ass, man. I don't know why everybody's not watching this shit.
I don't know what are they doing.
Who you got your money on?
Let me
that
see.
Range Rover.
I got
my money
this
on that
side.
Range Rover.
I want this side, the BMW.
What?
That Range Rover ain't gonna do
$100 on it right now.
100? Damn,
1,000, I'm sorry. 1,000.
Okay, 1,000. No, I want to do back to the 100. Let's go to the 100.
I'm playing.
All right. Hey, oh, y'all. Ooh, 1,000. 1,000. Oh, I don't want 1,000 fake dollars. I don't want fake money. Oh, Daryl. So somebody get 5K. That's good. I'm trying to get mine up there, like that. Who that? Daryl. Trying to get mine. Oh, he was racing against a Land Rover, Range Rover, something. Where y'all at? Pick a side. TikTokers, they pick a side. Man, y'all both pick it. It's 4 against 4. Pick a side on TikTok, y'all. Pick a side. Y'all got a couple seconds. Right lane for the win. Look out. Y'all had picked the right side at first when the race started. As they took off, y'all started getting it wrong. For the new people watching, check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. We got it live. Got a Hemi, y'all. I know I got some Hemi lovers in here. Where are my Hemi lovers? We got a little cam in here, y'all. Look out, you should go to Vendas and Truckers on the 28th. I went last year.
Alrighty guys, 434 dispatch. We have a Chevrolet Camaro. This car, it comes equipped with a 6.2 Chevy all aluminum engine. Then after that, these guys went and stuck an aftermarket camshaft in it with the push rods and springs. Alrighty guys, where are you guys from? Let's do a roll call. This guy is featuring some Race Star 17-inch Hoosier tires.
Oh, we got Florida, Pennsylvania, 801, GA, Kentucky, Michigan, Virginia, Arizona, Atlanta, South Texas, South Carolina, New Orleans, California. Oh, everybody. Ohio, got 2 Ohio's. Kansas, Baton Rouge. Okay, here come the race, y'all. Oh, we got Miami, Indiana. I ain't never been to Indiana, man. I wonder what's going on down there. Alabama, I've been down there. What is that to do in Indiana? Do people go there? People watching, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. It's going down like James Brown every week. You know what I'm saying? We got a most stable, careful going on over here. Come on.